Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Thai style steamed fish with lime and chili. So for the ingredients, here we have fish sauce, salt, pepper, fish stock, coriander root, some lemon juice, Thai chili, garlic, sugar and lemongrass. Now I'm going to blend some garlic, Thai chili and coriander root. For that I'll take mixer jar, add some garlic, Thai chili and some coriander root. After that I'll blend this into a nice mixture. Now my mixture is almost ready and I am going to keep this into a small bowl. Now I am going to add some fish sauce, some sugar and lemon juice. And mix this properly. Now I am going to keep this ball aside and cut the lemongrass into 2 pieces. After that I'll break the pod of lemongrass. Afterwards, I'll take a bowl and place lemongrass into it. Now, I'm going to take a fish and marinate this with some salt, and keep it into a bowl. Now I'm going to steam the fish. For that I'll take a pan and place over the gas. Now I'm going to make a roll of aluminum foil. And fill the pot with water. Afterward, I'll place the silver foil or aluminium into a pot and then place my fish into it. After that, I'll add some fish stock. and cover it nicely. For around 6 to 8 minutes. Now it's been 8 minutes and I'm going to check my fish. First I'll remove the lid and pour the sauce over it. Now again I'll put the lid and steam the fish for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's been 3 minutes and I'm going to turn off the gas. Remove the lid and here you can see my fish is done. I'll take out from the pot and place it over here. Garnish with some lemon slice and some coriander sprig.